Hello, Algebra 2 class, this is Mr. AC. I'm going to be going over a problem using the distributive property that's a little bit more challenging than what we've been accustomed to seeing. So, what we need to do now is we need to use a distributive property. And remember, the goal when we want to expand polynomials, we want to expand these out. The goal is we want this 7x to multiply with everything in here, and we want this -3 to multiply with everything in here. Okay? So we're going to start off using the distributive property and start it off with 7x times x squared. So I'm just going to write that down. 7x times x squared. Okay? So 7x times x squared is right there. Now I'm going to get 7x times -2x. So now we're going to get 7x to multiply with -2x. So 7x times -2x. And then we're going to take 7x and finally multiply it to our third term in here. So remember, the goal is always to get this number and to multiply with everything here. Well, we got that with this. 7x times x squared is here. 7x times -2x is here. And then we have 7x times 7. So I have plus 7x times 7. Okay. But we're not done just yet. What we need to do is we still need to take this -3, this -3, and multiply with everything inside as well. So we're going to get -3 times, so we're going to get plus minus -3 times x squared. Okay. So -3 times x squared minus 3 times x squared is right there. Now we're going to take this -3 and multiply that with -2. Okay, so plus, we got that, -3 times -2x. So -3 times -2x, -3 times -2x right there. Then we're going to get the -3 and multiply that by 7. So we're going to get plus -3 times our +7. Okay, I might have said -7 before, but I meant to say -3 plus the 7. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and now that I wrote everything out, so you see that the first 3 terms are from the 7x multiplying all 3 here, and then these bottom ones are the -3 multiplying all 3 here. Now I'm going to go ahead and just simplify this down. So 7x times x squared, well that's 7 times x squared. So we're going to get 7x to the 3rd power. Okay, right here. X times x squared is x to the 3rd power. X times x squared is the same thing as x times x, which is equal to x to the 3rd power. Okay. 7x times x squared, 7x cubed. Now we have 7 times 2, which is -14, but we're also multiplying x times x. So we know x times x is x squared, and -2 times 7 is -14. So we're going to get -14x squared. Okay, so the first time with this, we took care of this right here, there. 7 times -2 is -14, and then x times x is x squared. So we just took care of this one. Now we're going to get plus, well, 7 times 7 is 49 times x, which is just 49x. Okay. That take care of that there. Now we just need to take care of this one. What's -3 times x squared? Yeah, well that's -3x squared. Okay. Then we have -3 times -2. A negative times a negative is a positive. 3 times 2 is 6, and then it's 6 times x, which is just 6x. So we do plus 6x. Okay, so this term was right here. This term simplified here. Finally, our next term, our final term is, what's -3 times 7 is -21. So we just do -21. Okay. Now that we're here, we need to simplify this. So the first thing I do is I look around. I see a number times 7 times x cubed. Is there any other number that's being multiplied by x cubed? No. Nope. So I know that I cannot combine like terms any further. So I put 7x cubed right there. Okay, now look at this. Is there any numbers that's being multiplied by x squared? So we have negative 14x squared, and I look around, this is not it. Oh, look at that. So we have negative 14x squared, and then we have negative 3x squared. So since they're like terms, I could combine them. Negative 14x squared minus 3x gives us negative minus 17x squared. This is negative 14, negative 3, right? So negative 14 plus negative 3 is negative 17, but remember that's they're being multiplied by the x squared. Negative 14x squared minus 3x squared is negative 17x squared. Okay, now I go to this, 49x squared. Do I have any other number that's also being multiplied just by an x raised to the 1 power? So I look, okay, we already took care of these ones. No. Oh, right there, 6x. So I can take the 49x and I can combine like terms with the 6x. So 49 plus 6x, so 49x plus 6x is 55x. So plus 55x. Okay, and now we look and see that we don't have any other number that's just a constant term. So we just basically can't do anything with that, so it's just minus 21. And this is my expanded and fully simplified polynomial. And we did this using the distributive property. Remember that the goal is to get 7x to multiply with everything in here and the minus 3 to multiply with everything in here. And we just do that nice strategically, simplify down, we combine like terms, and then we get to this right there. And here's the guest appearance from the cat. Hey, say hello to the camera. Okay, she did. Alright, bye guys.